How to tie the remote grab knot. Let's say, for example, we have something out of reach, like here in front of me, for example, are my keys. And to reach them, all I need to do is just slip it over one of the keys, pull up nice and tight, and then I can now withdraw my keys from where they are. So as you can see in front of me, I've got a length of pipe. It doesn't matter how long the pipe is, but a handy length of pipe will help you do this job. The next thing that we do is we take the working end, which is on my right hand side here of my rope, and I pass it through my tube. So I'm passing it through the tube on the left hand side, pass it through until your cordage comes out the other side. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to tie one of our old favourite knots, and that's the Marlin Spike Hitch. And so get it between my thumb and my finger, roll it over once, and then roll it over for a second time. And you can see now where I've rolled it over for a second time, we can see the rope underneath there. And all we're going to do is just get hold of that rope that's underneath and pass it through. And you can now see we've tied a very simple noose knot at the end of our grab system. Now that we've done that, let's get my keys into position. They've fallen down a drain or something like that. And all I do now is I get hold of my grab system and I take it towards my keys, pass it over any one of the keys as such. And once you've done that, pull up nice and tight on the grab system. And then as you can see, we've now got hold of our keys. So very quick, very simple, and it'll get you out of a lot of trouble.